use of styrofoam and plastic has sparked many debates over the years. Welcome to Ellis Online. In this video we will look at some of the facts related to the use of plastic and styrofoam. In nature, different materials break down at different rates. If you throw your apple core into the bushes along with a steel toy car, your apple core will have disappeared in a few months, and your toy car will be rusty but still recognizable. It may take many years before the toy car disappears entirely. Objects made from iron will oxidize, forming rust. Microorganisms will help break this car down into simple molecules, but this process may take several years. Not the same with plastic, is it? To be able to work effectively, most microorganisms that assist the biodegradation need light, water, and oxygen. Temperature is also an important factor in determining the rate of biodegradation. This is because microorganisms tend to reproduce faster in warmer conditions. Plastic and styrofoam is widely used in Jamaica. Plastic t-shirt bags are primarily used to pack goods bought from supermarkets and stores island-wide. Plastic bags pose a big threat to the environment as it takes a very long time to degrade. In this tutorial we will bring you some interesting facts about plastic and styrofoam. Effective 2019, the government of Jamaica has placed a ban on styrofoam and plastic bags with some minor exclusions. This ban was met with mixed reactions. The two major sides were the environmentalists who think this should have been done a long time ago, and manufacturers who have invested in producing and marketing these products. Everyone else was in between. Jamaica has a huge problem with plastic and its usage. Every year thousands of plastic bags and bottles find their way into our rivers and gullies, causing flooding and other costly repairs, thus straining an already burdened economy. What does this say about how we dispose of our garbage? What does it say about our policies governing garbage disposal? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to Ellis Online for new updates as they are uploaded. So here we go. Let's get into the facts. Did you know that a plastic bag has a lifespan of 500 to a million years? Did you know that, if a styrofoam dish was reusable, 5 generations could live out their entire lifespan eating from the same plate? That's because it has a very long lifespan. 1,000 years plus. Talk about longevity. Paper takes 2 to 5 months to break down. Remind me why we are still using plastic bags again. Shouldn't we be looking at a more environmentally friendly way of producing paper? Plastic-coated paper milk cartons takes 5 years to break down, and this is because it is coated with plastic. If modern science could find a way for plastic to be synthesized with the human body, well, they would have discovered the fountain of youth. Not even glass bottles, which have a lifespan of a million years, cannot outdo the longevity of plastic. Styrofoam. Styrene, a component of polystyrene. It is a harmful chemical which is found in styrofoam. A lot of people assume that styrofoam must be safe since it's often what our food from restaurants and coffee shops comes in. Wrong. Styrofoam is not only bad for the environment, but also very bad for our health. That is because the styrene found in it can leak in our food. Styrofoam is not toxic by touching it, but when you place hot foods in it, or microwave it, it releases carcinogens and neurotoxins which are harmful to humans. Well, there you have it. If these facts are not enough to make you rethink how you use plastic or styrofoam, let me know what else should have been included in the comments. Stay tuned for future videos from Ellis Online by clicking the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be one of the first to receive new updates as they are released. Until then, thanks for watching.